Hey everyone, so I recently finished a bathroom project fitting shower panels, and I want to talk about the adhesive I used because it genuinely made a difference. I went with the Everbuild EB25 and I bought 15 cartridges for the job. Let me tell you why this stuff is worth knowing about. First off, it is a 2-in-1 product. Combines silicone and polyurethane technology. What that means for you is you are getting flexibility and serious bond strength in one product. No need for separate adhesive and sealant. The curing time really impressed me. Touch dry in 30 minutes. When you are doing a bathroom, that matters. You are not waiting around all day for things to set. And once it is fully cured, it's resistant to mold, temperature, extremes, and chemicals. Exactly what you need in a wet environment like a shower. The instant grab is legit. It sticks to pretty much everything: glass, metal, plastic, tiles, plaster boards, wood. I used it on my shower panels and the adhesion was solid right from application. No slipping panels while you are trying to position them. Here is something important. It is certified for sanitary and food preparation areas, plus certification for very low emissions. That is peace of mind when you are working in closed spaces. Bonus features: once it is fully dry, you can actually paint over it. Super useful for areas around doors and windows where you might want to match your decor. I use the white 300ml cartridges. Bought them from my bathroom dealers, but it comes in other colors like anthracite, black, clear, and gray. For bathroom installations, especially shower panels or any projects where you need waterproof, flexible adhesion, the Everbuild EB25 work really well for me. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.